Before they say it open 23 February, yes? And now big open March 1. March 1, okay. Korean popular mart already closed and for sale. This one is Korean open. Georgi, we go into new shopping center. It's okay. In Vietnam always use horn. In the Philippines not so many driver use horn. In Vietnam always. This is small park. I don't know name of this park, but this is park.
Opposite the same, but different.
Yes.
Move.
Yes, not easy.
I need the bridge.
Yes, the bridge is better.
Yes.
Because no one who can go inside. Take a look, what? Don't have people. Entrance from 10 to 9. Yes. Time now 5:30. 5:30. Usually in the same so many people. But I don't know here. Yeah, even cinema have inside. Very, very few people. Yogurt have. Okay, go inside to the entrance. This entrance. Good afternoon. Open now, yes? Thank you, thank you. Maybe you have gun, Georgi. Don't have? No, okay. Cold. What is this? Decoration, what? Massage have in the second floor. Really cold here. If they don't have people and so strong aircon, I don't know, I'm very cold, already for me cold. What is this? Close. Okay. Boston bags. For golf. Icon golf. Icon. It's for golf. Okay. Okay. Korean subscriber already know. It's for golf. Muso. No, I don't know what is Muso. Okay, Momuso not interesting for us.
29 pesos.
Start. Yeah. Oh, very cold for me. I am wet because we walk. Supermarket in the first floor. CR. Maybe we're going to upstairs. Izakaya. Sushi rolls. Japanese restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Can I see? Not problem.
You want to see the menu?
Okay, please show. This is menu, yes. Okay. We not hungry, but we want to see menu. Maybe another people can go. Tempura. Popular Japanese foods.
There's a ramen, bestseller deal with ramen.
Rice and soup. Okay. Okay, thank you for information. Thank you. But this is shopping center open from morning from 9 to from 10 to 9.
10 to 9, sorry.
But what time more people here? You don't know. When? What time?
No, because especially in the weekends, sir.
But we can have people.
People.
Okay.
It's very quiet.
Yeah, and cold. Okay, thank you for information. Thank you. Okay, Georgi, going to second floor. Yeah. No, second floor. Maybe yes. Upstairs also have an.
Cinema.
Also cinema and thank you. Oh, here very good. Not so cold. You can see parking in SM. Parking in SM and not so many people because now it's not weekend. Weekdays it's okay, but weekend full parking always here in SM. How go to upstairs? Cafe Bean. This is another side. You can see Hotel America, ABC Hotel also. This is also bars have. Yeah. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, here again cold. If you want lost money, you just play here. All money you can lost. Chun rice, chun rice, chun. Korean menu. This is food court. Hungry Hun open. How much? Bulgogi. Pork bulgogi. Georgi already find something. sausage. Tandoor, no?
No?
Filipino yogurt. Filipino blend. Original Filipino blend yogurt. Cheese. Good afternoon. Coffee break, 40 minutes. Drinks. Hi. Mango cone. Mango cone. Okay. So this is food court. It's already outside is parking. In upper have cinema. So we're going to upper. One car only in the parking. Happy milk tea. It's very popular in the Philippines. Milk tea. Where price? How much milk tea here? Don't have price. Don't have price. Okay, let's go to up. Whoa. RCBC ATM have here. Okay. CR. It's not CR, it's clean hand only. Only clean hand, okay. So we use elevator, okay. Use elevator, go to. We go into the third floor, yes? Yeah.
How many floors?
9 or 10 floors have, yes? No, but elevator only to 3. Okay. But why we write it's 9th floor? Money exchange also here have. How much money exchange now? Cinema. Have cinema. You want to check? Okay, wait, little bit only. Faster. Cinema. It's good. Coffee have. So going down. Oh, you want? Okay, try. More shops. We can check more shops. This is massage. Mom and me nails. Салон. Прайс. Ага, ATM, батон как ATM. You want to find ATM? No, one ATM you have RCBC, but 10,000 peso you can take only. Cash out only 10, but need 20. What is it? Welcome to the jungle. Can we check? Welcome to the jungle. Interesting. Decoration. Yeah, very good. I like this style. The paint is really paint, real paint. It's not sticker. This guy who paint this one, this is his number. This is his number. Contact to him. Artist. Yeah, nice. So noisy here. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like, you put like. If you dislike, put dislike. Put comment. Thank you for watching. Georgi?
Yes.
Georgi say yes. This is main gate. Main gate. Park. Stop. And this is gate. If we open, this is better. Because it's already Fields Avenue. Maybe someday we will open, I don't know.